Hey guys, it's your girl Tina. I want to go ahead and shout out Calvin DeSosa. So Calvin sent me this story. This whole situation is nuts. This is concerning this hedge fund billionaire. His name is Ken Griffin, and his wife Ann. She's saying that she basically signed her prenup under duress back in 2003 when she married her husband. They've only been married for 11 years. She's saying that her husband is worth $5 billion and she deserves a lot more than $50 million, okay? So this story is insane. He's demanding $1 million per month in child support. She's saying that they have 3 kids. Their kids are ages 2, 4, and 7. And this is what she's saying that she spends on their expense. Check this out. So she's saying that she deserves $1 million a month in child support because they spend $14,000 on food, $300,000 for a private jet, $160,000 for vacations, and $2,000 for stationery. Now, according to Illinois state law, the children are allowed to basically still live a lifestyle they have become accustomed to. That shouldn't change just because if there's a divorce. But the man is saying, Kenneth, he's saying that he takes care of everything. These kids don't want for nothing. He pays for the nannies. He pays for 24/7 security. He covers all of his children's needs, and that she's basically trying to take him back to court and sue for this child support in order for him to let her back out of the prenup and give her more money on the divorce settlement. This whole situation is just sick. I want you guys to check out this news story, and I'm going to come back with the rest of my commentary.
Soon to be ex-wife of a Chicago hedge fund billionaire, Ken Griffin. You can do a lot with it. And if you're Griffin, you try to keep it. But it's not just $1 million. Ann Diaz Griffin wants $1 million a month. She says she needs it to support their 3 young kids, ages 2, 4, and 7, and for other monthly bills, like $2,000 for stationery, $6,800 for groceries, and another $7,200 for eating out. Then there's $60,000 for an office and people to answer the phones, while you're spending $160,000 a month at various vacation spots that you flew to on your private jet. That sets you back $300,000 a month. Lawyers for Ken Griffin said the mother of his children is worth $50 million and can easily cover her monthly expenses. But the state of Illinois bases child support on the standard of living the kids enjoyed before the divorce. The ex-wife of Oklahoma billionaire, oil man Harold Hamm, got way more than $1 million a month. She got away with $1 billion. A lot less than what she Hamm's last installment, $974 million in change. At $1 million a month, Ann Diaz Griffin will have to wait 83 years to hit the $1 billion mark.
All right, so you guys just checked the news clip. First of all, I'm gonna need this bitch, Ann Griffin, have several damn seats, okay? First of all, what did this woman bring to the relationship? What did she do that she even deserves a $50 million alimony payment? It shows you how spiteful and how greedy this bitch is. You have regular women out here who can barely get child support from their ex-husbands, and if they do, they're happy enough just to get $200-300 a month. You mean to tell me that this bitch needs $1 million a month in child support? This is insane to me. You have a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 7-year-old. No child needs to eat $14,000 worth of food per month. No child needs to go on vacation every other day. No child needs to fly around in a private jet. I mean, this is just sick. It just shows you how trifling people can be regardless of race and regardless of wealth. This whole situation is just crazy to me. This is not about the children. This is about greed, plain and simple. This is about this woman wanting to be spiteful, wanting to take this man through the ringer just because he decided to file for a divorce. I mean, this is really, really sad. I hope the judge wakes up and sees how corrupt this woman is and takes all 3 of those kids from her, because I highly doubt that this woman is the one mothering or parenting those children. I highly believe that it's the nanny, the maid, and the butler who are doing more for those children than this woman is. She's not cooking their dinners. She's not helping them with homework because they have staff for that. I feel like these 3 children should definitely be with the father. This woman needs to take her damn $50 million check and go sit her ass down somewhere. She's getting more money for being married to this man than many people will ever see in a lifetime. And I just think the whole situation is just disgusting that she's not grateful with what she's getting from him. You know, so I just find this whole situation sad, but that's what happens to men when they marry women based on superficial bullshit as opposed to really getting to know these women that they're getting with. Probably married her simply because she was beautiful and she was arm candy, but not knowing that she was going to be deceitful and greedy when it came down to them getting a divorce. So this whole situation is sick to me. I don't think this bitch deserves a damn dime. I think he should have full custody of his children, and she needs to have several seats for even petitioning the court to charge this man $1 million a month in child support. That's sick to me. And that to me is simply abuse of the justice system. So anyways, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this entire crazy situation that's once again concerning our favorite rich couple, Ken and Ann Griffith. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. All right. Deuces.